D2 or some so she's home because of Juneteenth holiday. So she been home and shit. Nick. You recording on your phone, right? Oh my God! All right, so Kobe Lakers, 5-time champ. Trader Joe's.
Show love.
We're the cop in the Discord. We're the cop. This one is definitely better than the Bruce Lee by far, because in the forefoot here, the air unit is massive. Switching from this shoe, the Bruce Lee joint, to this one, I immediately felt more comfort in the forefoot primarily, but also in the heel. I think the heel airbag, the air unit in the heel is probably bigger as well. This is definitely like a revamped Kobe 5 Protro. I think that for a UA shoe, because this is a UA basketball shoe, this is a definitely 100%. Like, go to both of them. If you like this feel for this comfort, you can go with that. But for this one, it's got a lot more in the air unit, in the front and the toe, especially. So when you make it cuts, the response time is crazy. As soon as you put your foot in the shoe, you can feel the airbag pushing on the ball of your foot. Whenever I was making cuts, whenever I was driving to the basket, shooting, anything that consisted of me actually like digging my foot into the ground to make a move, this was like ultra responsive. For a UA shoe, and I think these are going for, on GOAT, these are going for like 900.
You don't even want to know what
12 or something. I'll throw it on the screen. I'll throw it on the screen right here. That's how much these are going for, and this is a UA shoe. So if you're just gonna be playing basketball, y'all do what y'all gotta do to get y'all kicks. I'm not telling y'all what to do with y'all money. You know how it is. We don't promote the shenanigans, right? We don't do all that.
I would prefer you spend a reasonable amount of money than an unreasonable amount of money. You, the consumer, could do what you want.
Basically, in a nutshell, what he's trying to say is get them for retail, or get them for resale, or get them whatever other way you need to get them. If you follow us in it, right? If you follow us in the Discord, we can help you find this pair of shoes. This is butter, Coke butter cheese. I'm loving all the other UA performance reviews. Show some love, like just show love, that's all. More reviews coming.